All right, so here's the biggest secret about Herschel Lofts. Hi, my name's Geoffrey. I'm a high-performance real estate agent, and today we are welcoming you into the North Loop at the Herschel Lofts. This building was a manufacturing plant built in 1915, but in 2006, someone had the great idea of turning this whole thing into 47 lofts. And today we're looking at Unit 306. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and we're gonna give you the tour. I mean, who doesn't want to live downtown? But this is the North Loop. It's surrounded by beauty and green and fun and restaurants, and it just has a vibe. I mean, if you don't buy the place, I'm gonna buy the place. The great thing about lofts is the living and kitchen and the dining, it's all together. And everything here is just nice, neat, organized, you know, and it just makes me happy to like be here. I wanna be downtown, you wanna be downtown. You know, life is beautiful. You should call me. My number's 952-258-3100. Let's get you into this loft. So here's the second bedroom. It's currently being used as a very tidy workstation office space. Come over here. Got a nice bathroom. I actually don't want to tell you guys, but we're hiding the coffee maker in the shower right now just for the video. I don't want to have it. But when you're ready to be done with your work life and you want to take yourself a nap, come on into the master. It's a great space, isn't it? This could be your home at Herschel Lofts. It's like this. You're leaving home, you're walking down your hallway, you're going to San Fran, you're going to Austin, getting some work done. But this is your hallway at Herschel Lofts. I mean, let's be honest. Look at this fancy schmancy security system. Boop, bop, beep, bop, boop, bop, boop. And the door opens. And there's a camera. Look at that. And look at that. It's me. Even I know I'm here. And it's Stefan. That's perfect. If you like dogs, there's a dog park across the street. So you can look at all the cute dogs and all the cute dog walkers.